Hey everybody, how's it going? Dave here. Today I want to show you guys this split screen trend that's going on Instagram and TikTok. So let's hop into Premiere and let me show you how to do it. Super easy. Shout out to Ryan Nangle for making a very similar video on his channel, but using Final Cut Pro, the dark side of the video editing world. So I thought I'd do a Premiere Pro version because there are some slight differences and hopefully this helps. Let's go. I'm going to use some footage from a previous video where I made a highlight reel in 15 minutes. Check it out. You get a free project file with a bunch of assets, and Envaulto's got a 7-day free trial you should definitely check out. Just go to that video and check it out. Nice one. First thing you want to do is create a new sequence. So I'm going to Command N, name that IG Reel for Real. And settings wise, I'm going to want that to be 1080 by 1920. And I filmed everything at 25 frames per second, so make sure that is correct. New. Excellent. Then I'm going to drag in some PSCs I made specifically for this. You got split 3, you can split 4, 5. I'll add these into the description for you guys to download. So let's go with 5 to start off with. So we've got our evenly 5 spaces we can split in. These are the sizes. I'll put them on the screen right now for you. 3, 4, and 5 split. So you got the exact numbers you need for that. Next, I'm going to go pick up some footage and resize it. That looks about right here. And go into your effects and look for the crop tool. Double click that. It's added. Now, here's a little tip for you guys. I've mentioned this in previous videos, but I'm going to add a transform tool as well. And you'll see why in a minute. Make sure the transform tool is above the crop tool. And I'm going to click on the crop tool and I'm going to resize this bad boy. Make sure it's there. Now, if you wanted to change the framing of this, you just go up to your transform tool and change the framing of it. And it'll change the framing within the actual photo. Because if you go try to resize it, that's going to move everything around and that's not good for you. All right, let's pick out some more footage. And we're going to put that piece of footage right underneath that. And let's do the same thing, resize it. Click on motion so I can actually drag it around. That looks good right there. Let me just come to my transform and crop, copy those, select that other clip, copy paste that. And now I'm just going to move that up a bit. And as you can see, when I disable the PNG image, it's starting to look really nice. Let's add some more footage. I'm just going to click on the photo and move it up, just option and move that up. So I've got a bit of space for some more footage. And while I'm resizing these clips, let me tell you about a sponsor. Envaulto Elements are offering a 7-day free trial for you guys to check out. Honestly, that is an incredible deal. You get motion graphics, templates of all sorts, After Effects, Premiere, Final Cut, a bunch of stuff for you guys to make your life easier and just get your job done faster. Literally millions of assets for you guys to use, and the website is so well done. Just go up to the search bar and bam, you get a bunch of results. Easy. Then you hide the photo and you get something like this. And I'm going to add some of these nests because I think they look really cool. In the project file, you find all this sorted out for you and ready to go. And guess what? You don't need to put your email in. So you just download it and away you go. If you're still watching this video, that is much appreciated. But if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Paramount Plus is still beating us in subscribers, and I think we can beat them. And also, have you seen how cool the animation is when you click on the like button? Pretty cool, eh? Then I'm going to go ahead and add some overlays to that. Then I'm going to add an adjustment layer with a tiny bit of vignette just to give us a bit of focus in the middle. You can add that. It's personal preference. So yeah, that's it. Pretty easy thing to do. Maybe the transform and crop effect combination wasn't part of your workflow. So hopefully, you know, that makes your life easier. Like, subscribe, turn on the bell. We drop videos all the time. Check out the Envaulto Elements link in the description. If you want to say hi to me personally, Dave the Greco is my IG handle. Till next time, take care, guys. Peace.